Question number 14. Question number 14. Question is no figure given. So there two triangles you have to draw. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So question is sides AB, AC and the median AD of triangle ABC is proportional to PQ, PR and the median PM of another triangle PQR. Prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so figure not given, you have to draw the figure. Understood? Now, what is given? That long sentence you have to convert. What and all given? AB proportional to PQ, AC proportional to PR and AD proportional to PM. Prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Question number 12. It is question number 14. Question number 12. Almost same type of question but a lot of difference. There given thing is AB, BC and AD proportional to PQ, QR and PM. But here you see AB and AC proportion. Okay. So it is a lengthy question. So given and to prove you take down. Now I am going to rub that. Okay. So it is a lengthy question. Listen properly. For proving that, what we have to do is you have to do one extra construction. What is the construction? This AD line segment produced to the point E such that AD is equal to DE. This length and this length equal, like that you have to produce, then join this. Similarly, PM you produce to the point N such that PM is equal to MN and then join this. Construction understood? Produce AD to the point DE and join this. Produce PM to the point N and join this. This is the construction. Now, we are taking these two triangles first. Triangle ADB and triangle EDC. These two we are going to prove congruent. What? Not similar, congruent. For proving that these two are equal by vertically opposite angles. What is AD? It is median. Median means D is the midpoint. So these two sides are equal. Okay. Now our construction is such that these two are equal. So what we are getting? BD equal to CD. Angle ADB is equal to angle EDC, vertically opposite, and AD is equal to ED. Construction. By using these three, we can tell that triangle ADB congruent to triangle EDC by SAS axiom. Understood? So first we are taking these two triangles and prove that it is congruent. Similarly, we can prove that these two are also congruent. Okay. Congruent means by CP/CT the other pairs also equal. So AB is equal to EC. There you will get PQ is equal to NR. What is the reason? CP, CT. Understood this much? And now we are considering this triangle, this right side big triangle. Name you see AEC, there PNR. AEC, there PNR. And prove that they are similar. Okay. For proving that is similar, we are taking the given condition. What is given? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is given. It is what? Given. So when it is given, from here we can write, I am writing AB is equal to EC. So there I am writing EC. PQ is equal to NR is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD place I am writing 2AD by 2PM. Simply I multiplied with the 2. Okay. So from there we will get EC by NR is equal to AC by PR is equal to, what is AD this much? What is 2AD? This length. Why? Because these two are equal. So we can write AE divided by PM. AE divided by PM. Now just you see. EC by NR. EC by NR. Second. AC by PR. Third. This much is equal to this much. So what? Triangle AEC similar to triangle PNR by SSS similarity criteria. SSS similarity criteria. So when these two right triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are also equal. So we can tell that this angle is equal to this one. Okay. So this angle, what is the name? Angle EAC is equal to angle NPR. Understood that much? Or we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we are doing the same step. This we are removing, join this left part. This we are removing, join this left part. Do the same procedure. Then we will get this left triangle similar to this left triangle. Okay, the same steps. So no need of writing the steps, just you tell. Similarly, we can prove that this triangle is similar to this. So what? This angle is also equal to this. 3 is equal to 4. 1 equal to 2, 3 equal to 4 means this total angles are equal. Okay, so A is equal to B. Now you see already it is given that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. It is given. And now you got this included angle also equal. So what is the meaning? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criteria. So it is a lengthy question. Study properly. Don't confuse with question number 12.